Thursday quiz for week 30. Question 1. What's the area of a floor 12 meters by 11 meters? You multiply 12 by 11, the answer is 132 square meters. Question number 2. 0.9 divided by 0.3. They've rewritten it here as 0.9 over 0.3. They've multiplied top and bottom by 10 to clear your decimal point, so you're left with 9 over 3. 9 over 3 is 9 divided by 3, your answer is 3. An obtuse angle, an obtuse angle is between 90 and 180 degrees. Question number 4, a car is traveling at 30 kilometers per hour. How long will it take to travel? 5 kilometers. Okay, so it's 30 kilometers equals 60 minutes. As you can see here, 1 kilometer will take 2 minutes. Okay, because it's double the length, isn't it? Double the amount of time per kilometer. So 5 kilometers will take 10 minutes. 1.35 kilograms equals 1,350 grams. You can put in a comma after the 1 if you want. You don't have to. Question 6. The total cost of 7 pens is €1.54. Average cost of 1 pen is €1.54 divided by 7 is 22 cents. Question number 7. 80% equals 4 over 5 equals 0.8. Question number 8. 10 and 4 over 10 take away 6 over 10. You'll end up with 9 and 8 over 10. There's different ways of doing this. I would say 10 and 4 over 10. I might break up that 10 and leave it as 9 and 14 over 10, because I've taken out 1 unit, that's 10 over 10, and I've added that into the 4 over 10, so now I've got 14 over 10. When you have that, and you can take away 6 over 10, it's just 14 take away 6, so your answer is 8. 9 and 8 over 10. Question 9, double 0.55, 1.1 is your answer. Question 10, I made a mistake with this first of all, so I'll just show you exactly what I did. I kind of looked at this very quickly and I was thinking 180 take away 45, but that's wrong. It's 360 take away 45. 360 is the whole circle, of course. So 360 take away 45 is 315 degrees. Question 11, 8 multiplied by 5 equals what divided by 0.5? Equals 40. So 8 multiplied by 5 is 40, true. What else? What divided by half is 40? So how many halves are there in 20? There are 40. So 20 divided by half is 40. 20 is your answer. Question 12. What number is halfway between minus 8 and plus 4? Again, you can do out your numbered line, draw it out if you want. Or you can think of it in this way. What's the difference between minus 8 and plus 4? Well, from minus 8 up to 0, there's 8. And from 0 on to 4, there's 4. So there's a difference of 8 plus 4, which is 12. So the halfway point is going to be 6. So it's going up 6 from minus 8 and coming down 6 from plus 4 should be the center point. And that's minus 2. Minus 2 is your answer. Question 13. 1000 multiplied by 0.007 is 7. Question 14. How many box B will fit evenly into box A? Box B is 2 by 2 by 2. That's 8 cubic centimeters. Box A is 8 by 2 by 16. 8 by 2 by 6 is 96. So your answer is 96 divided by 8, 12. You'll fit 12 of those boxes. Question 15. Round 10.056 to 1 decimal place. Even though there's 3 decimal places in the question, you don't need to think about the third one because you're rounding to 1 decimal place. That means you look at the second place here, that 5. Forget about the 6, that could be 9. Doesn't make any difference to the 5. 5 is what's important. So that means you can round it from 0 up to 1. So it's 10.1 is your answer. Question 16. Which digit in the decimal 8.125 is the 10th? So 1 over 10 is that 1 there. So it's the 1. 17. The net of a triangular prism. There's different ways to do it. This is your classical way of doing it. Question 18. Halve 12 and a half. 6 and 1/4 is your answer. Question 19. Write these fractions from smallest to largest. So it's 1/2, 2/3, 2/6, 7/9. 7/9 is pretty big. I'm thinking that's going to be the biggest. If you look at 1/2, some of them are going to be less than 1/2, some of them are going to be more than 1/2. That's going to help you as well. What I've done as well here is I've changed everything into something over 9. So 7 over 9 is already 9. 2 over 6, that's 1 over 3, but it's also 3 over 9. 2 over 3 is 6 over 9. 1/2, you can't really have something over 9.5 because 9 is an odd number, but if you were, it would be 4.5 over 9. So now I've written them all like that. Just look at the numbers on the top and you should be able to put them in order. So the smallest is 2 over 6 because 2 over 6 is 3 over 9. After that is 1/2 because that's 4.5 over 9. After that is 2/3 because that's 6 over 9. And the biggest, of course, is 7 over 9. How many vertices? They're corners. How many corners has a cube? 8. Problem solving for Thursday. 200 grams of tomatoes cost 50 cents. What's the cost of 4.8 kilograms? So you've got 4,800, which is grams. 4,800 grams divided by 200. That's the same as saying 48 divided by 2. Just strike off those zeros. You've divided both sides by 100. It's the same thing though. Your answer is 24. So there's 24 cans of 200 grams. Each one costs 500 or 50 cents, sorry. So 24 multiplied by 50 cent is 1,200 cent. Don't forget, that's only a cent. That means your answer is 12 euro. Question 2. Shopkeeper found that 10% of the 4.8 kilograms was spoiled. What weight of tomatoes can he sell? Get 10% at 0.48. Take that away. Your answer is 4.32 kilograms.